Today I'm going to show you how to do an effortless Parisian style updo on short hair. The first thing we're going to do is take a rounded section from ear to ear. Then starting at the bottom of the head, we're going to spray the hair with a light hold hairspray for texture and curl the sections towards the middle of the head. This means that every section is curling away from the face. So the left side of the head will curl towards the right, and when you pass the middle of the head, you will curl the right side towards the left. Then I spray each section with a salt spray to get lots of texture. Moving up the head in 1-inch sections, I start by backcombing the root using a heavy hold hairspray. And then I spray each section with light hold hairspray and again curl towards the center of the head and finish with a texture or a salt spray. Keep doing this until you finish the entire head. Now I take the middle section of the hair, I twist, I pinch out texture, and then I bobby pin it in place. You can use a high hold hairspray to pinch and freeze out the texture in the crown. Take the hair from the sides of the head, leaving lots down to frame the face, and twist the hair back. Insert bobby pins at the center to hold it in place. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small sponge or hair foam. Now all of these products and tools will be in the description box below in case you are interested. You're going to split the bottom section into 3 sections. Now I like starting with the side sections. So what you're going to do is just do a rope braid, super easy, pinch out the volume to cover the sponge and pin it into place. I like to start with both side sections and then I use the bottom section to cover whatever is left over. Now when it comes to the pieces at the front, make sure that you are curling away from the face. Now you can finish off with some ultra modern pearl accessories. And there is your finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you would wear this look to an event and if you have any tutorial requests for me. I love making videos to help you guys out. See you next week. Bye.